My name is Tom, and I used to be the very proud owner of Paul McCartney's 1972 Wings tour bus, which I bought in the 20th of October 2019 and restored it and owned it until April 2024. I was on holiday in the Canary Islands with time on my hands, and I went online looking to buy a Garth Brooks guitar and ended up buying Paul McCartney's 1972 Wings tour bus. The value that the bus has today is it was a priceless gift to me from wherever, from Wings heaven, from Paul McCartney heaven. This bus has been a gift that has never ever stopped giving, and it's a bus that is forever giving goodness, and it makes people smile. The artwork, the invitation in the artwork, Paul's invitation. We come in peace, we come to play, we come to have a good time, we come together right now. Join us.
I'm David Kirby. I'm a shareholder of the Adam Hall Group. I came to Germany in the mid-70s as a musician, founded Adam Hall GmbH and ran the company for many years. Until a few years ago I decided to take a back seat, but now I'm very proud to have been a part of the acquisition of the Wings bus. For me, the bus is not a collector's item, it's a part of music history. Paul McCartney was an inspiration to me as a bass player and as a musician, and the bus is an icon of that era. Riding through London on the top of that bus, that was a surreal experience. Crossing Tower Bridge, driving past the Hard Rock Cafe, wow, that was special.
Hi, I'm Thilo Pietschmann, Kurator in der Rock'n'Roll Library von Adam Hall und seit über 35 Jahren in der Adam Hall Family. Der Wings Tourbus ist mehr als nur ein Bus. Er verbindet Bühne, Zuhause, Statement, und das ist das, was uns bei Adam Hall auch bewegt. Live, Technik, Emotion auf der Straße und auf der Bühne. Ich als Musiker und Beatles-Fan sitze da oben und erlebe die Willkommensfahrt in Frankfurt. Gänsehaut pur. Es war mir eine große Ehre. Unvergesslich ein Leben lang.
Hi, my name is Alex and I'm the CEO of the Adam Hall Group. In the future, the Wings tour bus will be a part of our rock and roll library. So it will not only be a place for our employees, visitors, and it will also be a symbol for connection, come together, creativity, and a bridge between music and technology. So this bus in the 70s was something, of course, which fits completely in the time of being, bringing family and freedom together on the road, and it's a more sustainable and perhaps healthy way to go on touring, and it can be a proposal on the future, looking at the actual happenings in the world, where we can bring back together all that values of freedom, creativity, and that's more relevant than ever.